small petrol motor with a broken recoil spring. Here are a couple of workarounds. First up, if you can get to the flywheel, in this case under a starter cord housing, you can use a piece of cord directly around or on the flywheel to start the motor. This is how to do that on my little Suzuki GT2 outboard, but the principles are the same on any engine. It's just about working out where to attach the cord and wrap it around to turn the engine. Of course though, you might be somewhere where sourcing a spring is difficult. You need a more convenient repeated fix, something that will work for a few weeks or even longer until you source a replacement for that pesky spring. My solution is another bit of finer cord, say paracord, to serve as an alternative to the recoil spring to pull and rewind the pull cord. To start, I found that fusing the ends of the paracord and main cord with a lighter made this easier to thread. Knotting together both ends then gives a maximum pull length for each cord. It's important the knot sits flush to allow the pulley to spin freely. Then the important bit is to wind both cords in opposite directions around the spool. 3 times seems about right, although the size of the cord and the spool will have an impact. This shows how this now works. As you pull the white cord, the blue is wound more, and as you pull the blue, it rewinds the white. So now it's just a case of putting it all back together. It's not a perfect solution, and you do end up with 2 bits of cord hanging down, and of course you need to make sure those don't catch, etc. But at least you don't end up having to take everything apart to start the motor. Anyway, as ever, hopefully that helps someone out, and thanks for watching.